Hey, what's going on, hustlers? Time for another jump on it where we give you free ungated leads. So let's get right into it. And just a quick reminder, in order to get the information to take advantage of these leads right now, there's going to be a link down in the description. Basically, what you'll do is sign up in order to get the info. And here's the great part. Once you sign up, then you get your leads automatic to your inbox. You never have to watch another one of these videos and hear my mouth. You just get the free leads every week before everybody else. So there's your incentive. Time to throw on the glasses, teach the masses. And as always, we're using the software Tactical Arbitrage. Let me highlight my mouse here. Let's get into it. So check this out. This is so smooth. Now, if you follow me, you're going to notice I moved my columns around. You can move your columns around to the way you like to work with them. So what are we looking at? Number one, we're looking at the source. Where are you getting the product? Walmart. Look at your images. Here's the product image at the sourcing site. Here's the product image at Amazon. Right away, you can look and see, do they match? If not, you moving on. Okay, here's your titles. Again, you're looking for a match. Okay, you can hover over, let it open up and tell you more information. Right here, are you restricted? No. I'm telling you right now, guys, this is ungated. We already checked for you. So yes, you can take advantage of this right now. Here's your current sales rank. Here's your 90-day rank. You can see your 90-day rank is actually lower. So that's actually a good sign. Estimated monthly sales, 322 units. So we know we have the volume to justify getting into this. Here's your price, what you're going to pay. Now, I'm not factoring in tax because I don't know your tax situation, but somewhere around 20 bucks. Buy box price should be somewhere around $32.55. We're going to look at that. If everything were to hold true, you'd make about $7.37, and that would be a approximate return on investment of 38%. That's great. I'm happy with 20. So as far as I'm concerned, we're doing good. Once we go in, we're looking. If you click right here, that's going to take you in so that you can see the product on Walmart's site. It's sold and shipped by Walmart. Okay, here's your price, just like the software said. Next thing you would do is, because if it's not in stock there, you're moving on. But the next thing you do is go on Amazon, see if the buy box is somewhere around what they said. So right here, we have a suppressed buy box. So we need to open that up. We need to filter prime, new, and actually it looks like we're actually a little bit higher, right? The software said that the buy box was around $32.55, but prices are always changing and we're in Q4. So instead of $32.55, we're around 38. So we're actually going to do a little bit better. But you know what I like to do, even though, you know, I'm using the software Tactical Arbitrage, it's telling me what my profit would be. Sometimes I will still go out and use the revenue calculator just to kind of see. Now, what did we say? We said it was what, $38.95. So we threw that in up here. And in actuality, it looks like you're going to make more, somewhere around $5 or so. It's still good though, because remember, when we look at the rank and when we look at the estimated monthly sales, if you notice, I'm actually using a Chrome extension that also comes included with Tactical Arbitrage to get that. That keeps you getting information right on the page instead of having to toggle back and forth. Okay, so again, enough of me yakking. You guys can take advantage of this. You are ungated. Look down in the description, take a few clicks to sign up, and remember, this is not just about today. This is about today and the future. Once you sign up, it's free. You're going to get your leads each and every week, and you never have to hear me yipping and yakking ever again. So good for you. Free leads right to your inbox. And also, if you want to learn how to use the software Tactical Arbitrage, take the lightning course, take the lightning course part 2 free right down in the description. Get your free bulk list so that when you use your 10-day free trial, because the link for the 10-day free trial is in there, and once you take these lightning course, the lightning course 2, about 10 minutes each, you'll already know how to use the software. You'll be doing exactly what I do. If you want more free leads, there's a link in the description. You can be getting them every day, ungated. So that's it, hustlers. See you in the lightning course.